Hello, welcome to this channel. If you are new, please subscribe. In this video, we'll be solving question 9b. Solve for x in the equation, which is what? Log of x minus 1 plus 2 log of y is equals to 2 log of 3. And log of x plus log of y is equals to log of 6. In the next video, we'll be solving this one, right? Now, this is WASSCE question 2020 WASSCE question. This is the raw and real question paper, right? Good. And we'll be solving again inside the question paper. Now, let's proceed. Before we do then, again, subscribe, like, and share. When you subscribe, that's what will make me to upload more video and do more research for you. Thank you. Now, when you be going for the exam, you have limited space, right? The first thing you should do, write your identification number, in other words, index number, and also the question number, right? You get it? You get me? Good. So this question we say what? It's question 9b. Write here what? Question 9b. Don't forget. What is the next thing? Please let me give you this advice. When you be going for the exam, you have limited space. Make sure that for mathematics, I don't say for other subjects, you divide the page apart. In other words, you divide it in middle. If you don't do that, note, ready to embarrass yourself on that day for the exam, just like what happened to me. I embarrassed myself when I was taking the exam. I solved, by the time I could realize, I finished all the page. I asked for supplement, said that they are not giving supplementary again. That day, I was very embarrassed in the exam. That's what made me to have a poor grade, which was B3 in general mathematics, right? I have B3. So, please, make sure that you divide the page if you don't want to be armed. Okay, let's proceed. Let's continue solving. Log of x minus 1 plus log of 2 log of y is equals to 2 log of 3. And log of x plus log of y log of 6. Now let's first take the first log, which is what? Log of x minus 1 plus 2 log of y is equals to 2 log of 3. What is our step? We say log of x minus 1 plus these 2 with transfer it here. We say log of y square, right? Is equals to what? Here again we say log of 3 square. Do you see it? What is our next step? Anytime there's a plus sign between two log, we multiply the logs. Log of, we take y square into what? X minus 1 is equals to log of 3 square is what? 9. You see that this is the way how you be writing on that day on your exam. This is the real question paper. What are we going to do? This log cancel this log. In other words, we divide both sides by log. What is remaining? Y square bracket x minus 1 is equals to 9. What are we going to do? We remove the brackets. So say y square x minus y square is equals to 9. This is our equation 1. We come again for the next one. We say log of x plus log of y is equals to log of what? 6. You see, there's a plus sign between two log. We say log of xy is equals to log of 6. Log cancel log. What is remaining? Xy is equals to 6. We say this is what? Equation 2. Now we work them simultaneously. What is the equation 1? We say y square x minus y square is equals to 9, which is the equation 1. We say x and x what? Y is equals to what? 6, which is the equation 2. Now we use substitution method, solving the simultaneous equation using substitution method. We take equation 2, right? By making what? X the subject. We make x the what? Subject. Right? In what? In equation 2. Equation 2, right? Good. We say what? Xy is equals to 6. Divide both sides by y. Divide both sides by y. Y cancel y. So x is remaining. X equals to what? 6 upon y. You see 6 upon y. So anywhere you see in equation 1, you put 6 upon y. In other words, we substitute the value of equation 1. What is equation 1? We say is y square x, right, minus y square is equals to 9. So y square, what is x? X is what? 6 upon 9. 6 upon y minus y square equals to 9. So y square times 6 equals to what? And C, we'll say 6y square upon y minus y square is equals to 9. So y square upon y is equals to what? 6y minus y square is equals to 9. Do you see? Good. So in case, since this part is not sufficient, we'll jump here, right? If you don't divide the page on that day for exam, you have insufficient page because the pages are limited, right? Good. And this is a deliberate act of what they know that WAEC know that the pages are not sufficient, but they give you those page. 6y minus y square is equals to 9. What are we going to do? We make y the subject. Always in a quadratic equation, the highest power must be what? Positive sign. So we transpose it. So say y square plus what? 9. We transpose it minus 6y equals to 0. So we transpose everything over in the right part. So say y square minus 6y, you see, plus 9 equals to 0. What are we going to do? We solve the quadratic equation. We have what? 9y square. You see? What is the next step? We'll find two numbers. If we multiply them, we are going to have 9y square. If we add it, we are going to have minus 6y. What are the two numbers? Let's say 3. Yeah. So say minus 3y minus 3y. These are the two numbers. Good. Plus 9y square. We group them equals to 0. Right? What's next? We find common factor in each of the brackets. Right? We say y upon y minus 3. Here again, the common factor is what? 3 minus 3 into y minus 3 equals to 0. So say y minus 3, y minus 3. You see? Good. Equals to 0. So y is equals to 3, y is equals to 3 here. So the value of y is just 3, 3, right? Good. The value of y is what? Is 3, right? That's the value of y. What next? Now we come and find the value of x. Where do we let for x? We make x the subject as what? 6 upon y. So we are what? X equals to 6 upon y. So x equals to what? 6. What is y? Y is equals to 3. So x is equals to what? 2. So say therefore, the question says we should find the value of y. You say what? The value of x is equals to 2 and y is equals to what? 3. Good. Don't forget to subscribe, like, share. If you enjoy watching this video, please let me know in the comment box. I'll be teaching on different topics. Please make sure that you stick on my channel, and any topic you want me to teach on, let me know in the comment box. Thank you. Subscribe so that it excites me to upload more video